Once upon a time in the cozy town of Willowbrook, there lived a cheerful little girl named Lily and her dad James. Lily was always curious and loved spending time with her dad, especially when they did fun activities together. Today was one of those special days, and Lily was jumping with excitement. "Dad, what are we going to do today?" she asked eagerly. James smiled, knowing just what to suggest. "How about we cook something scrumptious together?" he said with a twinkle in his eye. Lily's eyes sparkled. "Yay! I've always wanted to create magical pizzas," she exclaimed. The kitchen became their adventure kingdom. They gathered ingredients like brave knights preparing for a quest, gooey cheese, colorful vegetables, soft dough, and all sorts of toppings. Lily donned her apron proudly, and James put on his, looking just as ready. "All right, Chef Lily, what's our first step?" James asked, pretending to be her sous chef. Lily giggled, feeling important. "First, we have to roll the dough like this," she instructed. James tried his best, and their dough circles looked more like funny blobs, but they didn't mind. They were creating their own kind of art. Next, they spread sauce over the dough, painting it with love and laughter. Lily made funny faces with the toppings. "These are gonna be the happiest pizzas ever," Lily declared. Before long, it was time to bake their masterpieces. Lily watched through the oven door, anticipating the magic. "Now we must wait," James said, "but what should we do while we wait for our pizzas to bake?" "How about playing our favorite board game?" James suggested. "Candy castles." Lily cheered, running to get the colorful game. They set up the board, and their adventure continued in the land of sweet treats and sugary paths. As their token moved along marshmallow mountains and licorice forests, they laughed and cheered each other on. Finally, the sweet scent of their pizzas filled the room, signaling the end of one adventure and the beginning of another, the adventure of taste. Carefully, they took their pizzas out of the oven, their funny faces now bubbling with melted cheese and delightful aromas. "Cheers to our delicious success." Lily toasted with her slice, and James followed. They each took a bite and smiled. "It's perfect," James said, "just like spending the day with you." After their satisfying meal, they cleaned up their kitchen, feeling proud of what they had accomplished together. That night, as Lily snuggled into bed, she thought about the lovely day. "Dad, I think today was the best day ever," Lily whispered sleepily. James smiled, tucking her in tightly. "Me too, Lily. We're a great team," he replied softly. And with that, they both drifted to sleep, dreaming of more adventures to come.